Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech in 5 Minutes. Today, we're going to be talking about the future of Bitcoin and alternative cryptocurrencies. Watch this video to learn about the latest forecasts on Bitcoin cost, understand why it can drop down, and what Bitcoin alternatives you need to consider for investment. Our channel talks about experience in software development, data science, cryptocurrency, and more. Subscribe not to miss new videos. And now, let's review top Bitcoin alternatives. First of all, we'll discuss what has been going on with Bitcoin in the last few months. Bitcoin is known as a volatile cryptocurrency. It was most stable in 2011 when it cost $1. At the beginning of December 2017, it was almost $18,000, and in a few days, $13,800. In December 2018, it dropped to $3,300, while in April 2021, it cost $60,000. At the end of July 2021, it dropped to less than $30,000. This data demonstrates the instability of Bitcoin. So, what do you think about the Bitcoin future? Share your thoughts in the comments section. As you can already see, it is hard to predict the best time to invest in Bitcoin. At the same time, there are a lot of other cryptocurrencies you can consider for investment. Here we'd like to recommend reading the article in the Jelvix blog to learn more on how to create your own cryptocurrency. The link is in the description. Now let's make a short overview of the best Bitcoin alternatives. Keep watching to learn about their cost, pros and cons, and the level of reliability of each one. First, Ethereum. This is a decentralized, open-source crypto with smart contract functionality. For July 2021, its cost was $2,300. This crypto has high security, and it's not capped. Also, this is the second most popular crypto in the market. The cons of Ether are high volatility, long transactions, and high transaction fees. The next cryptocurrency is Ripple. This is the crypto used for payment settlement, asset exchange, and remittance systems. The cost for July 2021 was 75 cents, but it has a progressive growth. The pros of Ripple are a robust infrastructure, big players support, low price, and massive market cap. But there are also some cons of Ripple investment. This crypto is a high-risk investment and it's not decentralized. Furthermore, the Ripple creators still own more than 60% of coins, which is unusual for this market. The consequences of such ownership can cause the crash of the market by the company. Next, Litecoin. This is an open-source, peer-to-peer cryptocurrency and software project released under the MIT X11 license. One Litecoin in July 2021 cost $140. Litecoin has better scalability than Bitcoin, fast processing times, a novel mining algorithm, and low transaction fees. At the same time, Litecoin has its absolute anonymity, which can cause a bad image for the coin. Because of the anonymity, it can be used for illegal things in darknet. The client code of Litecoin is not appropriately maintained. Our next option is Cardano. This is open-sourced and decentralized crypto. The Cardano price in July 2021 was $1.28. It is environmentally friendly and peer-reviewed technology. Cardano has a unique two-layered architecture that ensures minimum transaction fees. At the same time, Cardano investment has some risk because it is still in development, which is relatively slow. The crypto is not scalable, and because of that, it has much fewer transactions in a second than other cryptos. Next, Monero. Another decentralized cryptocurrency that uses a public distributed ledger with privacy-enhancing technologies obfuscates transactions to achieve anonymity and fungibility. The price for Monero in July 2021 was $231. It is one of the most private crypto, and it is impossible to link a transaction to a person. At the same time, Monero transactions are significantly larger than other cryptos. Then comes Dogecoin. This cryptocurrency was created as a joke, but some people think it is still a good investment. The price for Dogecoin in July 2021 was 20 cents. The pros of investing in this crypto are the low transaction fees. The main disadvantages are non-profitable mining and inflation. Dogecoin relies on a fun nature and hype, but not into real innovation as other cryptos. The next Bitcoin alternative is TRON. This is a blockchain with a cryptocurrency native to the system known as TRX. Its current price for July 2021 was 6 cents. TRON is one of the most affordable cryptos, with incredible speed and low transaction fees. The main problem of this crypto is a lot of hype about the coin, with the actual TRON platform still not being completely ready for use. And finally, Binance Coin, BNB. This crypto can be used to trade or pay fees in the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. The price for BNB in July 2021 was $313. BNB is one of the top utility tokens, and the Binance exchange is viral. The cons of the Binance coin is that the coin is highly centralized. Supposedly, 80% of tokens are owned by the exchange. So, what cryptocurrency is the best for long investments in 2021? Share your thoughts. This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. Jelvix helps top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We provide world-class enterprise software engineering, design, and technology consulting services. Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We share the latest news about tech trends and innovations. So, make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. And don't forget to like this video and hit the bell button. Bye for now.